Ever wonder how the mRNA vaccine works? Does it actually alter your DNA? Is it dangerous, since it hasn't been studied for so long? Well, in this video, I'll be answering some of your questions. I will be explaining how the vaccine works, some of the fears some people may have, and other myths surrounding it.
So how does the mRNA vaccine work? Well, first we need to know what an mRNA is. mRNA is short for messenger ribonucleic acid. It is a small snippet of DNA taken from the nucleus and sent to the ribosomes to be translated into proteins. What this basically means is that they are a small part of a large blueprint that your body uses to make stuff. So what does the mRNA make? It makes a part of the virus known as a spike protein. This spike protein is a part of the virus that allows it to infiltrate cells and is completely harmless by itself. Just the spike protein will not cause COVID-19. But now you might be wondering, why would a vaccine want to make a part of the virus? Wouldn't it be better for it to make the antibody for the virus instead? Well, this is because when your body creates the antibody, the thing that causes the immune response gets remembered by a memory B cell. This protects you from future infections. If the vaccine just provides the antibody, then your body won't be able to remember what causes COVID-19. So now you know that the mRNA creates a spike protein from the virus. But what next? First, the cell that made the spike protein will then show it off on its surface. After that, your body then notices that your cell has a new accessory and sends the fashion police after it. These fashion police are just white blood cells that will steal the accessory, then analyze it and set up a ban. That way, whenever anything with that accessory will be killed. And voila! You now have an immunity to COVID-19. So now that you know how it works, let's talk about some of the fears and myths surrounding the vaccine. First off, will the vaccine cause COVID-19? Well, since the virus doesn't contain a live version of the virus, nor the parts of the virus that can cause the disease, it is highly unlikely that the vaccine will cause COVID-19. Next, is the vaccine safe for pregnant people? Kind of. Currently, there isn't much information on the subject, but experts believe that it is unlikely to pose a risk due to how quickly the mRNA degrades. Finally, will the vaccine alter your DNA? Absolutely not. The mRNA at no point enters the nucleus of the cell, which is where the DNA is stored. Because of this, there is no way that the mRNA can alter DNA. And that's it for today. I hope you learned something new. Stay safe and let's fight off this pandemic together.